Welcome to the world of science and technology. Suppose doctors, means cardiologists, want to see heart beating in real time. Suppose pulmonologists want to see the contraction and expansion of lungs in real time. And oncologists want to see how the tumors shift during breathing. That means actually what they want to see. They want to see the dynamic images of the organs. Like in case of oncology, that is tumors. In case of pulmonology, that is lungs. And in case of cardiology, that is heart. Is this really possible? Yes, this is possible with the help of 4D MRI technology. So 4D MRI technology, so before that you should know 3D MRI technology. And here in this case of a 4D MRI technology, MRI means magnetic resonance imaging. And in case of a traditional MRI techniques, what is done? Images are taken, but those images are static images. They can show you only the structures. But to diagnose the diseases accurately, to see the functions, how they function in your body, if that is the requirement of the doctors, then in that case, in such cases, 4D MRI can be used. Actually, 4D MRI technology is being used by those all specialists, oncologists, pulmonologists and cardiologists. Though at present widespread use of this you cannot see only in specialized centers, means in specialized research centers you can see all these things, means 4D MRI technology. Anyway, so what is done in case of 4D MRI technology? So it works like 3D MRI technology, and in next the one more addition is there, and that is the addition of time. That means in rapid succession 3D images are taken, in rapid succession. Sequentially 3D images are taken, and by using a robust computer algorithm all these data are processed and reconstruction of the images become possible that way. And since in rapid succession all the images are taken, that's why the representation of the reconstructed images become like a movie. Okay, so what happens, that in case of 4D MRI, first 3D scans are done, and those volumetric data are collected. So inside the MRI machine, the patient the patient is kept inside the MRI machine. That means what is there? Strong magnetic field is there. So inside the body of that patient, water is there, and water contains hydrogen molecules. And in hydrogen molecules, hydrogen atoms are there. Okay, so throughout the body, hydrogen atoms are available in any human body. Okay, so I am right now talking about only the patient. So what happens, since a strong magnetic field is present, so the hydrogen atoms or the hydrogen nuclei are aligned. But next to that, RF pulses, that is radio frequency pulses, are sent. Means radio frequency pulses are applied, and in that case what happens, the hydrogen nuclei realign when the RF pulses or the radio frequency pulses are applied. They realign, but after that they move back to their original position when RF pulses are not present. So when they move back to their position, they emit signals, and those signals are captured by the MRI scanner. And using those signals, the construction of images become possible. reconstruction of the images becomes possible that way. Those emitted signals by the hydrogen nuclei are collected. So in case of 4D MRI technology, same thing happens, but instead of taking a single scan or single image, multiple images are taken or multiple scans are done in rapid succession. And that way, the fourth dimension, that is the time dimension, is added to the images. And ultimately, by the help of computers, we can see the movie-like representation of the internal organs like heart, lungs, tumors, etc. Because sometimes this becomes necessary to see the internal organs in dynamic condition, and that has become possible with the help of this 4D MRI technology. Challenges are there. I'm not talking about challenges here in this video. Challenges are there. That's why you cannot see widespread use of this technology right now, because challenges are there. After overcoming all the challenges, you can see the use of this technology everywhere. Anyway, I'm not right now talking about here in this video on challenges. Challenges are of course there. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and if you found this video insightful, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.